Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the new grid pinning feature on Instagram. So recently Instagram released a feature similar to that of the feature on TikTok, where you have the ability to pin either a post, a feed post, a video, or an Instagram reel. So how it works is you can pin up to 3 photos or videos or reels onto your profile. So let me just upload something real quick so we can pin 3 different posts. So I'll click on post, and then I'll just select this image and just post this real quick. No caption or anything like that, just for this video. So that has now been posted. So I can go back to my profile and you can see I have 3 different posts. Now, if I would like to pin these 3 posts out of all my posts on my page, then you would simply go into each post, tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top right of the post, and then you would tap on pin to your profile. And now that post is pinned. I can go back, I can go to the next post, tap the 3 dots, tap on pin to your profile, and do it for the last one as well, pin to your profile. Now you'll notice that I have 3 different pins. There's one. These 3 posts will appear at the top of my Instagram page, no matter what I post onto my page. Now, if for example, you want to get rid of one of the pinned posts and pin another one, what you can do is you can just tap on that one again, tap on the 3 dots, then tap on unpin from your profile. And now I only have 2 pinned posts on my profile. Now, if for an example, if I have this 3 posts pinned onto my profile, so if you try and pin, let's just say, a 4th post, what Instagram is going to do is going to ask you, do you want to replace one of the pinned posts with the new pinned post? So you'll just have to replace one because you can only have 3. And that is essentially how the feature works. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.